To create the word cloud, first let's activate the developer tab in the Microsoft Word. To do this, go to the left tab here at the Customize Quick Access toolbar and then select the More Commands option. After that, click the Customize ribbon at the Main tabs option here. Let's check the Developer tab. Make sure this tab is active, okay? And then click OK. You'll notice that at the menu of your Microsoft Word, you have Developer tab at the top here, and then click Add-ins because we will add a new add-ins into Microsoft Word, and then click the Office Store here. After that, at the search bar, let's type Word Cloud. Click the search bar. After that, you have two options of the Word Cloud add-ins, the Pro Word Cloud and the Beyond Word Clouds. The Pro Word Cloud is free, but the Beyond Word Clouds is paid, okay? So I'll suggest you to use the free. If you have budget to create the word clouds, you can use the Beyond Word Clouds, okay? Then let's click Add at the Pro Word Cloud option, then click Continue. Wait until the add-ins appear on your screen. Okay, now we have the Pro Word Cloud add-ins to create the word cloud. After that, select the whole text that you want to create as the word cloud. You can also select the article, essay, and so on. Just like this, these election responses that I made. Of course, this fictitious data. After that, let's select the customization option here. For the font, I prefer to use the theme. We can also change it later. For the colors, let's make it Pro Writing 8. For the layout, okay, preserve case, the intelligent case. And for the max word, you can also increase and reduce it according to your needs, okay. For the size, let's make it 900 to 600, okay. And for the common words mean that the words that common appear on your text, on your selected text, and it's not necessary to create as word clouds such as and, or, of, the, and so on. Words like that. So I'll suggest you to check this option. Then click the Create Word Cloud. Wait until the generating process done and you have a new word cloud appear on your Pro Word Cloud add-ins. Okay, so let's just copy it and paste it into Microsoft Word. Right click here and then click Copy Image. Okay, select the paste and then right click again and then select the paste option. You can also change the option that you want according to your taste. Let's change the word cloud customization here. The font, let's make it telephoto. Also, let's reduce the max word into 50 because 100 is too many in my opinion. And then let's regenerate the word cloud. Okay, click create. Sorry, I forgot to select the text. Let's select it again like this. Okay, and then create word cloud. I think it's better to have this customization. Right click, you can also save it as image. I prefer to just copy it and then paste it. Yeah. Right click and then click paste here. Congratulations, you are successfully creating word cloud using Microsoft Word within seconds, and remember, it's free. That's it, see you in the next video.